All right, I'm gonna start masking this the rest of the way up. I'm gonna run probably some tape under there. Maybe I'll sand this back a little bit so I can blend onto that. And then back mask all that. That's the plan. So on this part, I'm gonna just back mask back mask this, and then I'm just gonna make a line here. I'll kind of blend it all in up there. Just gonna back mask it like so. And then put the plastic on it. Not too concerned about overspray getting on here. I'm going to end up sanding it, so it's not like the end of the world. A little bit gets on there, so I'm going to block it all out. But I kind of wanted to get this, so before I prime, I'll sand this area here on both sides. But that's what I did on the other side as well. Pretty simple. I'm going to do, I'll probably do paper down here. Start with that. Put the front down. And back here should be fun too. A lot of little holes and stuff. Okay. Finish blocking this. I think I'm going to prime it, see what it looks like. I think it's still a tiny bit low there. But I want to prime this thing today, so I'm going to quit tinkering with that. I'm just going to mask it up. Get at least one coat of, layer of primer. Got this close. It's still not 100%, but I'm going to get it all in primer, and then I'll block it. And if I need to do more body work, that's fine. I can always prime that area again. So I'm just going to continue going and masking up. I think I'm going to, maybe I'll do the window and the door here, back window, just work my way around. I've got some progress. I got the front and side lower section in the back. Tape didn't want to stick super well underneath there, that edge here. So I ended up using some Gorilla tape. It's kind of like duct tape. That's where I'm at. I cut the plastic a little too short, so I had to add a piece of paper. Got it masked up. Ready for primer. So I'm going to prime this, the body, and then I have that one fender done. So I'm going to prime that. I still need to do the body work on the two doors, the hood, and the deck lid, and the other fender. But I wanted to get primer on this. It's the goal. So next I'm going to wipe it all down with wax and grease remover and then mix up the primer. Get ready to spray. I sprayed wax and grease remover all over the car and I'm just wiping it off here. I usually do like 2 or 3 times just to get all the residue off because it's pretty dusty. All right, I bought a different spray gun. It does super low pressure, so hopefully it will last. The air pressure will last longer than my other spray gun I bought. The other gun required 12 SCFMs, and this one only requires, I believe, 4. It said. So hopefully my air compressor, the pressure will last longer. I just cracked it open here. Came with a cup. Different tips. Oops. Dropping them on the ground. That's not good. Let's see what size this one is. This is the 1.7. I'm going to put the 1.7 in. It's bigger. I don't know which one's in there right now. It's the 1.3. Came with a little toolkit and a brush. Okay. The 1.7 on here. Okay. Never sprayed this yet, so give it a whirl here. I bought this gun on Amazon. I'll link it in the description. I don't think it was very expensive. Okay. All right. And then I bought this thing at Harbor Freight. Basically, instead of filling up this cup here, I can just fill up this, put it in here, put that on, put the lid on, and then when I'm done, I can just throw this out. Just a little less cleaning. This is nice. It takes a while. Plus you're using a lot more like thinner to clean, and it all adds up. I'm gonna get a tip for this so I can hook it up to my air. Okay, I'm gonna use the same primer I use on the front. It's called Euro Prime 4:1. It's epoxy direct to metal. So it's been sitting for, I don't know, a month or two. So I'm gonna stir it up. I don't have a shaker, obviously. So stir stick. And the mix ratio is, it's 4:1. So we're gonna do that. Go from there. So on the cup itself, you guys can see that or not, but 4:1 is right here. So I'm gonna go up, there's a 7. I'm gonna go up to the 7 and 7. As much as it'll fit in here. See how much I can spill here. I put a little foil out just to help if I make a mess. There's the 7. Crap on here. And then I go to the 7 with the activator. And we'll start it. So pop your little lid on there, and then this goes on. And then looks like the gun is, clean it a little more here. Probably run some more thinner through it. I'll be back. Okay. And then you stick it on there and turn it like so. Hopefully it doesn't leak. Doesn't look like it is. All right, let's give it a try. Maybe I'll start with that fender. I turned some fans on, so it's going to be a little noisy, but try to help keep some of it out. We'll start with this here fender on with the new gun. See if I can figure it out here. Turbo. Here, I'm just trying to adjust the gun settings to figure out how it all worked. Just playing around with it. All right, ran out of primer, so I made more. I'm gonna go ahead and do one more, or finish this, and then I'll jump to that other quarter panel, and then that'll be one coat. Here I started a second coat of primer. I'm going to start unmasking it, get all the plastic and paper off. Here's a little walk around. Turned out really good. There's a couple little spots I need to fix, but it's not too bad at all. The body line turned out pretty nice right there, I think. Can't even see where I welded it in. There's a little spot here I need to fix too. It's more squared off. And then I found a little shallow dent right there on the roof that I'll have to repair later as well. But overall, looks really good.